making apple donuts. What? I know, but not the apple donuts that you're probably thinking. Have you guys ever had a caramel apple or gone to the chocolate factory and gotten the apples that are covered in caramel and Oreos and sprinkles? That's the kind we're making, but easier and less messy. So make sure that you wash your hands, you clean your area, and we are gonna get started with materials and ingredients. Okay, so all you need is a knife. Make sure that you ask mom and dad before using a knife, a cutting board, and we have some parchment paper and a pan so we can lay all of our apples on. And then I'm gonna flip this around to show you all the toppings, but you can use frosting, caramel, peanut butter, and we have Nutella. So you can use whatever you want as your topping or your frosting on your donut. We have some fun holiday sprinkles, some fall colors, chocolate chips, pumpkins, and we have some shredded coconut. And those are the apples we'll be using. You can use red or green. The first thing we're gonna do is cut the apples, so let's get started. Okay, so all we did was turn our apples over and dip them into our toppings. And so we have chocolate chips with peanut butter, chocolate chips with Nutella, coconut, sprinkles. So many different ways you could make these. You could add chopped peanuts or chopped nuts. You could do granola on top, however you want to. And now is the taste test. Okay, now for the taste test.
That is good.
Heaven, are you sinking because it's good? They're so silly.
Mom,
all right, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Awesome.
Can we say hi?
Say hi.
No, let you turn around.
Oh, okay, hold on. Say bye. Thanks for watching. Hit that red button.